Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to slice a bell pepper. Basically, we're going to do a julienne or a French cut on the bell pepper. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is actually seed and prep the bell pepper. So I'm going to just go ahead and cut off the top part of the bell pepper and trim the end. And then what I do is I cut down the side so I can just kind of unravel the bell pepper, and then I'll use my knife to kind of just roll down the inside of the bell pepper and remove the seed pod. Now, if you're not comfortable with this, for say, maybe your knife skills, you're just a little uncomfortable with using a chef's knife to do this, you can scrape out the seeds with a spoon. It's a little bit easier. You're still gonna have to use the knife to actually do the julienne part though. I'm just gonna take the bell pepper and I'm gonna flip it over. That way the inside part of the bell pepper is down and I can press it flat. If I try to do it the other way, it's gonna keep bouncing up and you're probably gonna hurt yourself with the knife, and you definitely don't wanna do that. So, and then just take the knife. We're just gonna do thin little slices. Okay, so that's all it takes. Just like that. Slice off these tiny little sort of French fry-like sticks. Super, super easy. And if you seed the bell pepper the way that I showed you by trimming off the top and the bottom and then cutting the side and laying it flat, it makes it really, really easy to work with. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. And if there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. I'll see you guys next time.